So this is one of my other energy harvesting projects. I'm working from home. I'm converting my bike into an energy harvester. I'm using 3 solar panels rated at 12 volts, 100 milliamps each, connected in parallel to give me 12 volts, 300 milliamps. And right now I have a linear actuator for it to tilt back and forth, flat and also forward. So if you see, I have 2 linear actuators. I have one right here, and I have one that's yellow back there. And so this can, one linear actuator goes up, one linear actuator goes down. This tilts back, it tilts forward, or both linear actuators are both up or both down. Then solar panels are flat, probably at noon when the sun is highest in the sky. And so right now, I have this little waterproof box or module here to have my Raspberry Pi. It'll also have my supercapacitors. It also have a lithium battery. So ultimately, I'll be harvesting energy through the solar panels to charge the supercapacitors. Also, this will have a regenerative braking. I took apart my my in-house bicycling unit, and I installed this wheel that makes contact with the tire, and then I'm mechanically going to hook this up so it can actually actively charge the supercaps with the motion of the rear wheel. And ultimately I want to add a regenerative braking feature, so when this makes contact, like a little wheel makes contact, when I brake the tire, or when I try to slow down, that when the brakes are applied, the brake spins a little wheel, which is tied to a generator, which ultimately will charge the supercaps as well. And for right now, this is just going to be solar panels charging supercaps, but ultimately I want this to take that supercap energy and then apply it mechanically to the bike. So it looks like I'm going to have to get a motor that can go onto the sprocket here, and when that will actually make this electromechanical bike or electric bike. But what will be different from standard electric bike conversions is that this will be energy harvesting, and it'll be using supercapacitors in the integrated circuit, or supercaps will be integrated into the solar panel energy harvesting unit. So that's it for right now. Guys, I'll keep you posted for any new updates. Also wanted to add that I just started my new job, so hopefully I can get back onto my home projects. And that's it for right now. Thank you guys, and have a nice night.